Hey, welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. Let's talk about just the Internet of Things in business, right? I mean, I'm still, today, I am still running into business owners that are fighting this idea of being on the internet. And I have to tell you right now, if that's you and you're listening, I really want to get through to you right now. So please listen. If you're still operating on spreadsheets, you're not online, you don't have a basic website, you don't have social media, you don't have a lot of these things, and somehow this message got to you because a friend made you sit down and listen to it. Look, the honest to God's truth is this. We live in a technical era, and if you're not going to get on board with some of the basic things, you're going to get pushed out of your market eventually. I'm not saying it's going to happen this year, next year, whatever the case may be, but there's a reason businesses end up going life cycled out, and that's because they didn't adapt to the times. Just don't be that business owner that doesn't adapt to the times just a little bit. You just got to do enough. That's all you got to do. So just do enough, change enough to stay relevant in the market. All right? I hope that was helpful. See you on the next dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God. It's beautiful.